in front of me is NUBIA Red Magic 8S Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this gear at the top. Then select Theme, scroll down and click on Show More at the bottom right corners. This way you will see all available ones. After finding the best one for you, click on it. Manage keyboard orders thanks to this switcher. And then select Apply. So when I do that and go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to customize it instead, go back to the same settings. But this time click on this plus icon under My Themes. Now click on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage keyboard orders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!